Why is self-healing concrete changing how buildings last? Imagine a building that can fix its own cracks without anyone lifting a finger. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is now a real part of modern architecture, especially in Scandinavia where durability and sustainability are top priorities. Self-healing concrete is transforming how we think about construction and maintenance. It tackles one of concrete's biggest problems: cracking. Cracks happen from temperature changes, mechanical stress, or shrinkage. When they form, water and chemicals sneak inside and cause corrosion of the steel reinforcement. Over time, this weakens the structure and leads to costly repairs. Traditional concrete is brittle and low in tensile strength, so cracks are almost inevitable. But self-healing concrete works like a living system. It uses tiny bacteria or special additives that activate when cracks form. In one method, bacteria called bacillus species are embedded in spores within the concrete. When moisture enters a crack, these spores wake up, consume nutrients, and produce limestone. This limestone naturally seals the crack, preventing further damage. Another approach involves crystalline additives and nanofibers mixed into the concrete. When water interacts with these materials, they form crystals that fill in cracks and make the concrete stronger. This process is similar to how skin heals small scratches. In Scandinavia, where buildings face harsh winters, this technology is especially useful. It reduces the need for frequent repairs caused by freeze-thaw cycles and moisture exposure. Using self-healing concrete means buildings stay stronger longer and requiring less maintenance. It also means fewer resources are used over the life of a structure, which aligns with the region's focus on sustainability. This innovation has already been tested in tough environments like geothermal plants, floating wind turbines, and even heritage sites. For example, a water tower in Malta was restored using this technology, proving it works on both new and old structures. Companies like Green Basilisk have made bacterial self-healing concrete available for construction projects. They also develop repair mortars that can seal cracks in existing buildings. The idea is to shift from a maintenance-heavy approach to one where the material actively protects itself. Instead of concrete being a static, fragile material, it becomes a smart, responsive system. This change means buildings last longer, cost less to maintain, and stay resilient against the elements. In regions with tough climates like Scandinavia, this kind of innovation helps create structures that endure for decades with minimal intervention. It's a step towards smarter, more sustainable architecture that keeps pace with modern needs.